Today we're gonna make Rice Krispy treats with only 3 ingredients: butter, marshmallows, and Rice Krispy treats. We're gonna drop this whole stick of butter in. Let it in now. I spin around and make sure it mixes faster. Mixing butter, mixing butter. Now that the butter's almost done melting, we're gonna add the marshmallows in. Now we're going to dump the whole packet of marshmallows in. I'm looking to help you. Fluffy, get out. All the fluffy back. I just want it. We're gonna mix it until the marshmallows are all out and nice and melted. Out and melted. Marshmallows are all mixed in. We're gonna add the Rice Krispy treats, and my mommy's gonna do this.
And you're gonna keep spinning. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. There you go. Good job.
Look at it. Looks like we need more Rice Krispy treats. We're gonna add some more.
So we're gonna slowly add more Rice Krispy treats until
it
makes a nice mix with the marshmallows. Yeah. Keep spinning, spinning, spinning.
A little bit more at a time. And Mommy just turned it off. That should look good, right, Mama?
Sure. We'll see.
Okay. Now we're gonna put it on a cooking sheet. Once we got it out of the pot, we're going to spread it around until it gets cold and hardened.
And then we cut it up and we put it in another container to enjoy.
On the ride, to get hardened fast, you gotta move fast. That's what I'm doing right now.
Yep.
It looks like spider webs with food.
Also, as soon as you're done with your pot, you want to make sure you put it in water because that stuff gets hard to clean.
Yes.
I think we're done here, sis. And we're just going to let it get nice and hard, and then we're going to cut it up.
We're gonna make sure it's nice and hardened and cut it.